What cleaning solution should you use in your Bissell Little Green Machine? I'm going to go over that in some detail here in this video. First of all, when you order these machines, when you get them brand new, you'll get a little 8-ounce trial size or bottle of the cleaning solution. Sometimes you'll get a few, kind of just depends on the model and the brand or the type of machine that you purchase. That's going to last a little while, but eventually you'll run out, you'll have to buy more. This is what I like to get for my Bissell Little Green Machine. Now, they have tons of different models, but essentially they're all the same. You're going to have a clean water tank, a dirty water tank, a hose, and then at the end of the hose you have a trigger that you'll pull to spray your water and cleaning solution from the tank, and then you extract and everything gets collected in the dirty water tank. So as far as functionality, they're all pretty much very similar. They've just got some different functions and features on each of the models, and people will just pick the one that best suits them and their needs. However, the cleaning solution works across all of the different models, so you can buy this one right here, and this would work on all of the different models from Bissell, as long as it's a spot cleaner. Now, they do have a line of upright carpet cleaners, and for that, they do have a separate line of cleaning solutions for those cleaners. That's what I always use inside of my Bissell Little Green Machines. I just use the Bissell branded products. Now, there are technically other spot cleaning solutions out there that you could probably get away with using inside your machine, but I don't do that. It does say in the warranty information inside of the user manual that if you use a different type of cleaner, it could void the warranty. So I just stay away from other cleaners inside my machine. And then definitely you don't want to use any homemade cleaners or harsh chemicals like bleach or vinegar in your machine as well. That could really break down some of the rubber components, plastic pieces inside your machine, so you do want to make sure to avoid those as well. All that being said, you could spot treat your stains outside of the machine however you want. I do that often, especially when I have animal accidents. I use something like this. This is an enzyme cleaner that actually breaks down the protein of an animal accident, so it does a little bit better job depending on the stain. And then I have another one here that is ZEP, and this is a concentrated carpet cleaning solution. Now, this is made for cleaning machines. Now, I don't use it in the machine. I think technically I probably could because it's formulated to be used in these machines. I just don't do that. I don't really want to take the risk. And honestly, I like to spot treat my stains with more targeted spray, and I just like that. Not saying that the sprayer can't target it. I'm just saying that I like to use the detergent directly on my spot, and it gives me a little bit more control of how much to use and different things like that. So what I have on hand here is just this cleaning solution in this spray bottle, and then this is a gallon here. I only use 1 or 2 ounces, I think, for this entire spray bottle. So this is gonna last me almost a lifetime here. So that's the reason that I like this. So I always have this on hand. A lot of times I do try to use my Bissell spot cleaning solution when I have it on hand, but you know, that's not always the case. So I do have this on hand as well to spot treat. What I'll do is I'll just spray that directly on the stain, and then I'll fill up my machine here with just warm water, tap water. It doesn't have to be warm necessarily. Just I'll fill it up with water, but no detergent in the machine itself, and then I'll use it to just spray, add a little bit of extra saturation on the stain, and then I use the scrub head here and then use it to extract the liquid and clean everything up. So I use it more as kind of a rinse agent and machine as opposed to the thing that's actually applying the detergent or cleaner to the carpet. So you've got a little bit of freedom there, so hopefully that helps answer some questions on what cleaning solution to use, and that's how I have been working with this machine over the past about 5 years that I've had this machine here. I haven't had any issues with it, and it's done a great job in that respect. I do have a complete tutorial on this Bissell Little Green Machine if you want to check that out next. And then this is cleaning machines on this page. I do a lot of videos about spot cleaners, carpet cleaners, vacuums, things like that. So feel free to check out some other videos if you're into that kind of content. Again, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.